And so it's like 8 o'clock at night. Came out here to check the birds on 7th February. And this hen, which last season did not make any eggs, finally looks like she's got one. So that's amazing, and that's with that crazy looking young fella there. That's gonna make some insane birds. Insane birds, pure Veso lines. Straight up pure. One egg. Now that is awesome. And another crazy thing. OG line. Like that boy there. We're going to clean up this weekend, so no stress, people. But the OG crazy red bars over here. Big giant red bars, monster of the dude. So his line. Can you believe this shit? This is crazy. Straight up saddle from OG line. Now that is effing insane. If you understand, like, they never make saddles. That is crazy. Look at this big monster. This is gonna be a monster. It's gonna be massive, this dude. Wow. That is crazy. Nice straight up blue. That is insane. That is crazy. So we got the silver OG line with a hen. They've got 2 eggs as well. So that's her. That's this hen's first 2 eggs. That's keeping up the OG line. It's going crazy as well. Yeah. Surprised me because I did not think she was going to lay eggs again. But there you go. It looks like she's ready to do a second one. Looks like they're ready to do a second one. She's got 2 eggs, so in a couple of weeks we'll definitely have from this massive hen as well. So it's good. And from the OG line silver hen, that was from the silver boy. This is from the silver hen. Some big blues. That is good. Do not want to disturb the birds too much, so I'll definitely have to clean soon. Then we've got some nice saddles coming up here as well. It's not clear, eh? For some reason. There we go. You know they're growing up nicely when they got those little spikes. And straight off the original OG boy. Very clear. There we go. And then, let's see what we got here. So we got a, it's going to be either blue or a dirty blue. And we got a saddle. We got a saddle. Veso tonnage. We got that pair on eggs. She's on her first egg because I swapped her first set of eggs up pup here, which should probably hatch in a week. And we've got these two guys here as well. They're coming up really nice. Nice short-ish, medium beaks. They're looking good. And a few more here and there. But yeah, it's good. We've got the two up here as well. Straight blue. Oh, just a little bit of white here. They're getting well fed from the tipplers. That one looks like it's coming with a pointish kind of style crest. Yeah. Doing good. Alright, time to go chill.